Hey, so you wanna learn how to contour your brows? Easy, naturally, with only 2 products? You're in the right place, so I'm not going to waste your time anymore. Let's get into it. You're only going to need 2 products. The first step is to use a color eyebrow gel, because that is going to give you the color, the texture, and the fixing. Your brows are not going to move throughout the day, and it's going to fill your brows in. I'm using here 2 types of colors, blonde and medium brown, because I like to have a gradient effect on my brows. Next, I chose the bad eyebrow for this tutorial because everyone has flaws, everyone has gaps in their eyebrows, so I wanted to show you exactly and realistically how you can achieve a natural contoured eyebrow. And I'm using here a very thin, small pencil. This is from Maybelline. It's a new launch from them. It's a drugstore product. It's super cheap and very pigmented. I'm starting from the middle of the brow because I want to give it the shape, and the shape is where the most of the color is. I don't want to start from the beginning of the brow because that way I would be tempted to use much more color. I'm mimicking hair strokes, I'm filling in the gaps, and lastly I'm going to contour the beginning of the brow. If you see firstly strong lines, don't panic. We're going to use the spoolie of the pencil, which has small bristles, and it's going to blend everything away seamlessly. You don't have to worry about a thing. It's all going to work out. Lastly, I'm using a concealer for brows. Recently, I found out that these types of concealers, which come with built-in brushes, are amazing. They're very convenient to use because everything is built in. It saves you time and they are very precise. Next, I'm blending everything in with a brush and you're set to go. So lovely friend, if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and share it with your girlfriend so she can save some time doing her eyebrows. Until next time, take care and stay beautiful. Bye!